Welcome back. And today is Summer Solstice. And today's message is titled Summer Solstice Awakening, a collective prayer for Earth and humanity. Today, the sun stands still. The longest day. The brightest fire. The moment when light reigns above all shadow. This is the summer solstice, a sacred pause in the great turning of the wheel. A celestial breath, honoring the divine light, not only above us, but within us. Ancient people honored this day with stone circles and sky alignments, marking the sun's highest point in the sky, a solar crown illuminating Earth's abundance. They knew this day was no accident. It was a holy mirror of the fire within the human soul. And now we remember. Let us gather in heart, not only to witness the light, but to become it. This is our collective moment. A prayer rises from the roots of the earth to the stars of the heaven. A prayer that the earth, our sacred mother, be restored to her full beauty and power. That the rivers run pure. That the forests breathe free. That all her creatures remember peace. A prayer for the human family, to awaken from the trance of separation, to rise into remembrance of who we truly are. Sovereign, luminous, and whole. Let this solstice light activate the codes of truth in our bones. Let it burn away illusion. Let it fuel our return to unity. We are not powerless. We are not broken. We are not lost. We are the living prayer. We are the light. And today, we rise within the sun. Until next time, much love, light, and joy to you all.